But I like when they make the sound effect too. Like, hold on, wait. Wait, let me get up. What's your ass?
Shut up, getting her ass fucked up.
Now she knows she
Keep her big ass on that dog.
What do you want to call?
It's on Cancun, girl.
You need to go to my house. I don't want to walk. You want it, baby. I'm going to do it. Everything. What time is it? Well, come on in.
Like, it's 6.
Nah, hell nah. So baby ain't going to walk. I had to come back. I ain't going to walk you back here. Nah, I had to come back in the dark. And then the kids don't come with it.
So that baby don't wild on her ass. Look at shut. Look at you got shut. Don't. I'm drinking that, girl. So give up the damn baby like that.
You couldn't live. How you gonna tell the other day when you was
What you talking about? What the fuck you talking about?
What's she doing?
Oh, y'all bitches don't want to fight no more, huh? Get her ass.
Yeah, they do that, mama.
Get her ass. I ain't say moonwalk. I said get her ass. I bet I get red eye. He'll fuck his ass. Red. The pit bull in the back.
Oh, that one, that's red.
Red to fuck somebody up. Up close on that shit. Shadow. Get your ass out the camera. Get out the camera. Hey, motherfucker. Hey, bitch. Yeah, what the fuck all that? She go to motherfucking stairs and shit. I'm gonna get your motherfucking ass. I'm gonna get your ass. Where you going? Where your ass going? What you wanna do? What the fuck you wanna do? Get your ass here. Get your ass. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. You alright? You good? I'm scared the fuck out of your ass. Wanna talk shit? Wanna motherfucker talk shit? Get up off your motherfucker ass. Fuck your ass up. God damn it. Look at this bitch. Couldn't run no more.